Hello students, myself is Parminder Singh from Prab Kripa classes. Our today's topic is a comprehensive dive into the world of fiat money. After going through this course, the students will understand the meaning of fiat money. Every one of us is having some physical banknotes or the coins in our pockets which we give to the shopkeeper to purchase something. These banknotes and the coins have been issued by the government and they have been declared to be the legal tender for any form of transactions within the jurisdiction of the country. The students will also understand the difference between fiat money and commodity money. Fiat money is the money in the form of banknotes, coins, or digital form of money, whereas commodity money is the money which has its intrinsic value, that is the gold coins or silver coins. Then the students will also understand various forms of fiat money. The students will understand who backs the fiat money. The students will understand whether fiat money is a legal tender. If a person refuses to accept the fiat money, what will happen? Can a person refuse to accept a fiat money? Then the students will understand whether fiat money encompasses both banknotes and coins. The students will be able to understand those factors which influence the value of fiat money. Then we will understand the authorized entity in a country who is responsible for creating fiat money. Then we will analyze the effects of the central bank purchasing financial assets like government bonds, whether the central bank can influence the money supply in the economy. If yes, how they can do so. Then we will evaluate whether fiat money possesses intrinsic value. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.